guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hi, on this channel and welcome to my channel. I do DIY videos, lifestyle videos, challenges, and a whole bunch of fun random videos. So I hope you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and be part of the Glam Squad. So today's video, I'm gonna give my room a full makeover. I'm gonna be redecorating my room for fall. I love fall. I love the season. I love Halloween, and I'm just so excited. I brought like a whole bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree and Target, and I'm just so ready to redecorate my room to just fall it up. I'm just so ready to fall it up. So I'm gonna show you guys how I redecorate it. I'm gonna show you guys like what you can do in your room and how you can decorate your room for the fall time as well. So before I get into the video, don't give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you won't miss out anytime I post a video. So let's get right onto the redecorating. Okay guys, so it's time to decorate, and I'm thinking I'm doing this whole wall, and I'm doing this whole back, and I'm gonna do my makeup section, and we're just about to fall it up. So so right now I'm gonna take everything down, take everything off, so we can have a fresh, walls that we can, masterpiece what we're gonna do. Handy daddy sister. We're roommates, we share a room. But I got my sister, she's gonna help. Well, I'm about to say she's gonna help me redecorate my room. I meant she's gonna help redecorate our room. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go. You gotta do it.
I have put a spell on you, and now you're gone. My whammy fell on you, and it was strong. Your wretched little life have all been cursed because of all the witches working. And the worst, I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. She ain't lying. If you don't believe, you'd better get superstitious. Ask my sister. She's vicious.
Alright guys, so as you can see, everything is cleared. We got the everything is clear. Everything is just white. The white wall is a little bit of stains because we just have stain walls right now. But everything's clear. So then we're gonna brainstorm what we want to have on the wall, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we came up with. Alright, so number one tip for decorating your room for fall/Halloween is tablecloth. Stop laughing at me. It's tablecloth. Tablecloth is a great way to cover up, your plain, your plain dresser. So that's what we're about to do. Look at this packaging. Like, they wrapped it so cute, and I'm about to destroy it.
This is so weird. I put a spell on you. A wicked spell.
Second tip: if you're a makeup person like me and have tons of makeup and you want to put something inside of them, cups as decor, you don't have to use them as just drinking. You can use them as decor as well. Okay. And these glasses were $3 at Target. Just want you know.
I put a spell on you, sister. I say it's a buy, up a maybe, up and die.
Another tip is have a theme. Themes are really good for redecorating your room. Like, my theme is Hocus Pocus /Halloween Town, so it's super fun to go out and find things that represents the movie. Like, I got these two skeleton bones, and this is going to be the cab driver from Halloween Town. Another tip is to get wall decor so you can put in your wall so your wall won't just be blank. I got helmets where you park your broom for Hocus Pocus, and if the broom fits.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. She ain't lying. If you don't believe, you'd better get superstitious. Ask my sister. She's vicious. I put a spell on you. A wicked spell. I put a spell on
got no time for no games. Tell me what you like, but it's never gonna change. So you do what you want.